Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana from 6th semester. I'm here to explain you about Vedic maths. There is a slogan called calculate fast, think smart, learn Vedic maths. So Vedic maths is a one from which we can solve problems fast and we can think smartly. So let's go into the chapter. Here is the content where we'll going to study introduction, history of Vedic maths and why it is so called Vedic, and some sutras of Vedic maths and advantages, and finally the examples. So introduction. First of all, what is Vedic maths is? It is an ancient system where it comprises of techniques and sutras which are used to solve mathematical problems in a easy and faster way. We can solve the problems of mathematics in a fastest and easiest way by using the techniques and sutras which are present in that Vedic mathematics. So it includes 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, which means 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas. These formulas can be applied to solve many mathematical problems such as arithmetic, geometry, algebra, conics and calculus. And it is proved that Vedic maths has been proved that it is beneficial for the student and anyone who is practicing mathematics, which saves time. Okay, we can solve the problems in a fastest way, and it increases concentration power, and it expands brain memory. So the second chapter of this is history. So what and when and how did Vedic maths came as? It is a mathematic. It was discovered by a mathematician, Indian mathematician named Jagadguru Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji during the year AD 1911 and 1918. He learned it from Vedas. Okay, so he wrote it in the book, Vedic book called Tirthaji Maharaj, and Vedic mathematics is also called mental mathematics in mathematical world. It One can say that it improves and increases brain capacity and speed of calculation 5 times higher than the normal practice of solving the mathematical problems. Okay, and let us learn about Tirthaji Maharaj, Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He was born on March 1884. He wrote the book named Vedic Mathematics, that is Tirthaji Maharaj, and he was Shankaracharya of Govardhana Mata in Puri, Orissa from 1925 to 1960, and he is known as father of Vedic maths. Okay, so he wrote 16 sutras in that book, right? So he learned that from studying Vedas. Okay, it increases mental calculation, right? So those were all studied under Vedas. Okay, he claimed that he found the sutras after years of studying the Vedas, and Vedas is a sacred ancient Hindu text. Okay, next, why it is so called Vedic is, as in the last slide we saw that Vedic mathematics was introduced by Tirthaji, and he introduced it by studying Vedas for several years. So Vedic comes from Vedas, where Vedas is the fountainhead of all knowledge. And it all the sources of sutras which are present in Vedic maths were from ancient Vedic texts. Okay, Supreme Court of India, uh, according to Supreme Court of India, Vedic means time factor. Okay, and then fourth chapter is sutras. As I said earlier, there are 16 sutras and 13 sub sutras in Vedic maths. So these are some sutras of Vedic maths. These are first 10 sutras of Vedic maths, and here are remaining 6 Vedic maths sutras. Okay, and there are some advantages of Vedic maths, like it improves or increases solving time about 10 to 15 times faster than the normal method, and it reduces burden. It provides one line answer, and it reduces finger counting and scratch work, and it is a mathematical tool. It increases concentration of the one who is solving it, and it also enhances logical thinking. So here let us solve some examples. Here the question is to add 23 and 36. So what we should do is we should first convert this 23 to tens, like which is the number which is nearer to, convert this 23 to the number which is nearest to tens, that is 20. 20 is the nearest number, tens number for 23, and for 36 the nearest tens number is 40. And here from 23 we have decreased it to 20, that is we have decreased 3, and from 36 we have added 4 to convert it to 40. So what we should do is we should add these two numbers, okay, 20 and 40. As we all know, like tens number can be added easily. So 20 plus 40 it is 60, right? So from 60 what we should do is we should add or subtract the increased or decreased numbers from the original number. So here we have decreased it by 3. So what we should do is we should add 3 to 60, and here we have increased it to 4, increased it by 4 to make it as 40. So here what we should do is we should decrease it by 4. So 60 plus 3 minus 4, it is 59. So the answer is 59. This is the method of solving addition by Vedic maths. Okay. Next question is to subtract 159 by 500. So what we should do is we should first write 159. Let me write it. Okay, as we all know, we cannot subtract largest number from smallest number. So 0 is the smallest number compared to 9. So let us take a borrow, like we'll keep 1 here. So it will become 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. And what we should do is we should add this number. The one which we have taken as carry, taken as borrow, should be added to this lowest number. Okay, so 5 plus 1 it is 6, and by 0 we cannot subtract 6. So right, what we'll do is we'll add 1, that is we'll take borrow 1 from this. Okay, it will become 10. So 10 minus 6, it is 4. And likewise here 1 plus 1, it will become 2. So 5 minus 2, it is 3. So the answer is 341. After subtracting 159 from 500, what we'll get is it is 341. Next, we'll also subtract 7478 from 10,000. Okay, here 7478. Okay, so here the trick is, what we should do is we should take this as 10 and other all as 9. Units place number should be multiplied by 10 and other all by 9. So if the number is like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, like that, what we should do is we should subtract the units place digit by 10 and other all digits by 9. So here from 9 subtracting 7 will get 2. From 9 after subtracting 4 will get 5. From 9 after subtracting 7 we'll get 2, and the last digit should be 0. Okay, so from 10,000 after subtracting 7,478 we'll get 2522, that is 2,522. Then multiplication of two digit numbers. Okay, so here what we should do is 63 into 67, right? So first we should multiply the units place numbers, that is 7 3s are 21. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Then what we should do is we should cross multiply these two, that is 6 into 7, and that product should be added. The product of those two should be added, that is in plus 6 into 3. So what is 6? 4, 6 sevens are 42, right? So 42 plus 6 threes are 18. So the answer is 42 plus 18, it is 60. So write 60 as it is here. Then multiply these two numbers. Tens digit must be multiplied. 6 6 are 36. So here we'll write 36. Okay. If it is single digit, right, we can write that single digit as it is. If it is double digit, write the units place digit as 1 as it is. And what we should do is we should add tens digit number of this to the units digit number of this. Okay, so 2 plus 0 it is 2. Likewise, add these two. 6 plus 6 it is 12, and give carry 3 plus 1 it is 4. So after multiplying 63 and 67, we'll get the answer as 4221. Okay, this is one method of solving two-digit numbers. There is another method which is a bit easier compared to this. What we should do is we should increase one number by 1, that is 63 into 67, right? First we should multiply these two as it is. 7 threes are 21, or 3 sevens are 21. What we should do here is we should add 1 to this number. 6 plus 1 it is 7, right? So then multiply 7 into 6. Okay, 7 6 are 42, and the final answer is 4221. Okay, this is another method of solving two-digit numbers. So then we shall multiply three-digit numbers. It is 341 into 350, 650, 562. 341 into 562, right? So what we should do is, as like two-digit numbers, we should first multiply units digit numbers. That is 1 into 2, it is 2. Then we should cross multiply this. So 4 into 2 plus, let me keep it in a bracket. Okay, 6 into 1. So 4 2s are 8 plus 6, which is equal to 8 plus 6, it is 14, right? So we shall keep 4 as it is and 1 as carry. Then in the next step, let us take this as step 1, and in second step what we should do is 3 4 1 5 6 2. So what we should do is we should multiply these two. We should multiply these two, that is 3 into 2, and we should multiply 5 into 1. Okay, so 3 into 2 plus 4 into 6 and plus 3 into, sorry, plus 5 into 1 into 1. Okay, so 3 2s are 6 plus 6 4s are 24 plus 5 1s are 5, which is equal to 35. So what we should do is we should keep 5 as it is, and we should keep the borrow 3. So we should keep the carry 3. Okay, here it will become 3 4 1 into 562. Here earlier it was 42, and now after multiplying 5, and here earlier it was carry 1, and now it will be 3 carry. Okay, let me erase this. So again 542, right? So again what we should do is we should again cross multiply these two, that is 3 into 6 plus 5 into 4. What it will be? 3 6 is 18, 3 into 6 it is 18 plus 5 4s are 20, so it will be 38. So here keep 8 and give the carry 3. And in the next step what we should do is we should multiply this hundreds digit numbers, that is 3 5s it is 15. Okay na? So it is 1,58,542, but we have a carry 331. So what we should do is we should add 331 to this. So 2 as it is, 4 as it is, 5 plus 1 6, 8 plus 3 it is 11, 1 carry, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 3 9, okay, and 1. So the final answer after multiplying 342 and 562 is 1,91,642. Okay, this is how we will solve 3-digit number using Vedic mathematics sutras. Next, what we should do is we have another method of multiplying it by 11. So by multiplying a number by 11, usually it is easy in normal method also. What we should do is in Vedic mathematics the method is keep the number as it is 63 and write 0 behind it and after it. Okay, 0 to its left and 0 to its right, and then add two numbers, 0 plus 6, 6 plus 3, and 3 plus 0. Okay, 0 plus 6 and 6 plus 3, this is 1 and this is 1, and 3 plus 0. Okay, so it will be equal to 0 plus 6 it is 6, 6 plus 3 it is 9, and 3 plus 0 it is 3. So the final answer is 693. After multiplying 63 by 11 it is 693. Okay, and then division. Let us do division. 3 4 5 6 by 5. So what we should do is multiply the given number by 2. 3 4 5 6 must be multiplied by 2. Okay, uh, 6 2s are 12, that is 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, and it will become 11 after adding 1 carry, and 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 3s are 6, it will become 6912. Okay, move one decimal to the left, that is move one decimal place, it will become 691.2, and so this is the answer after dividing 3456 by 5. So this is a method which is to be followed for any number by dividing it by 5. Okay, and thank you. Explore more by learning Vedic Maths.